Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to continue to practice the Dhamma. We're going to be working on sets 2 and 3. In set 1, we mentioned that the Dhamma appears at the beginning, right, of every word. In set 2, the Dhamma is going to be in the middle of every letter in this word, in these words. So let's begin with the first word. Asula, asula, asula. Next word. Ba'uda, ba'uda, ba'uda. Next word. Hasuna, hasuna, hasuna. Next word. Sharufa, sharufa, sharufa. Next word. Saruma, saruma, saruma. And there you can hear that the ra has a bold sound. Aduba, aduba, aduba. Next word. Qaruba, qaruba, qaruba. Next word. Maluha, maluha, maluha. Next word. Azuma, azuma, azuma. Next word. Saghura, saghura, saghura. And there you can hear the ra also has a bold sound since it has a fatha. Next line. Nadhufa, nadhufa, nadhufa. Next word. Kabura, kabura, kabura. Next word. Fasuha, fasuha, fasuha. Next word. Kathura, kathura, kathura. Next word. Saluha, saluha, saluha. Next line. Wadu'a, wadu'a, wadu'a. Just going to stop here for a moment. You can see this word to my left. The hamza, which normally appears above the alif, is on the waw. And remember, we said that anytime you see that hamza, it's going to be pronounced as an alif. So even though it's on a waw, you still pronounce it like an alif. And since it has a fatha, we pronounce it with a fatha. Next word. Kamula, kamula, kamula. Next word. Ra'ufa, ra'ufa, ra'ufa. Again, just paying notice to what? That little hamza, it's pronounced as an alif even though it's on a waw. Next word. Faquha, faquha, faquha. Last word. Saluba, saluba, saluba. Very good. Let's move on to the final set in this video. In set 3, you're going to notice that the Dhamma now appears at the end of every letter in the word. So in set 1 was at the beginning, set 2 was in the middle, and in set 3, the Dhamma is at the end of the word in all of these examples. Let's begin with the first word. Yajibu, yajibu, yajibu. Next word. Yasilu, yasilu, yasilu. Next word. Yakilu, yakilu, yakilu. Next word. Yazinu, yazinu, yazinu. Next word. Yaridu, yaridu, yaridu. The next line, ya, he, nu, yahinu, yahinu. Next word, ya, thi, qu, yathiqu, yathiqu. Next word, ya, ri, thu, yarithu, yarithu. Next word, ya, si, fu, yasifu, yasifu. Next word, ya, ji, du, yajidu, yajidu. Next line, ya, li, du, yalidu, yalidu. Next word, ya, si, mu, yasimu, yasimu. Next word, ya, qi, fu, yaqifu, yaqifu. Next word, ya, i, du, ya'idu, ya'idu. Next word, ya, thi, bu, yathibu, yathibu. Next word, or the last line. And remember, the last line in set 3, we usually like to do something called find the mistake, right? Find the mistake. Here I'm going to make a mistake on purpose with every word, and it's your job to try and find it. Let's begin with the first word here. Yurimu, yurimu. Did you catch the mistake? The mistake was with my first letter. I pronounced the ya with a dhamma. I said you. It should have been a fatha. I should have said ya. Correct pronunciation. Yarimu. Yarimu. Next word. Yalihu. Yalihu. Did you catch the mistake? The last letter. I pronounced it as a ha, and it should have been a jim. Yaliju. Yaliju. Next word. Yaqadu. Yaqadu. Catch the mistake. There's actually 2. It's the middle letter. I pronounced the fa as a qaf. I said yaqa. And the other mistake was you're supposed to have a kasra as well. So I added a fatha and I changed the letter. It should be yafidu. Yafidu. Next word. Yarizu. Yarizu. What did I do here? Again, I made 2 mistakes. This time I made mistakes with 2 letters. The za and the ra. I swapped them. It should be yaziru. Last word. Ya'ida. Ya'ida. Catch the mistake? It's at the end. The dal. I pronounced the dal with a fatha, and it should have a dhamma. It should be ya'idu. Ya'idu. All right, everyone. Jazakumullah khair. Continue practicing. The next thing that you want to do after mastering the letters is now mastering the symbols. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.